Hi guys, this is Sarmad and today I've transformed into the flapper girl from 1920s. I mean, you can see this look is very inspired by the Great Gatsby and old Hollywood glam. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's in collaboration with Wardah, who is also known as Digital Zarda on Twitter, Instagram, and of course her blog. So be sure to check her out. I will link her in the description box, and also I'll leave all the details of this makeup look in the description box, so be sure to check it out. I'm really excited for you to watch this video because in this Wardah will be disappearing my eyebrows to go for that old Hollywood look where in 1920s people used to draw on eyebrows. They used to be thin, straight, but also higher up. So all of that will be happening in this video. Stay tuned. I hope you really enjoy, and please be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, hoping that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you now. You make it difficult to not overthink. And when I'm with you, I turn all shades of pink. I wanna touch you, but don't wanna be weird. It's such a rush, I'm thinking, wish you were here. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you now. But I could be a crush, I could throw you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. I got a fascination with your presentation, making me feel like you're on my island, you're my permanent vacation. Touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. Sorry. I fill my calendar with stuff I can do. Maybe if I'm busy, it could keep me from you. And I'm pretending you ain't been on my mind, but I took an interest in the things that you like. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you now. But I could be a crush, I could throw you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. I got a fascination with your presentation, making me feel like you're on my island, you're my permanent vacation. Touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. Yeah, it's true that I'm a little bit intense, right? But can you blame me when you keep me on the fence? fence like, and I've been waiting, hoping that you'd wanna text like. That's what I was born to do. And yeah, it's true that I'm a little bit intense, right? But can you blame me when you keep me on the fence like? And I've been waiting, hoping that you'd wanna text like. Ugh. And I'm just tryna play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now. But I could be a crush, like throw you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch. I could be a crush. I got a fascination with your presentation, making me feel like you're on my island, you're my permanent vacation. Touch. I could be a crush. Sorry.
फेदर आ रहा है,
फेदर छुप गया।
मुझे पता है पाखे का वो गाना याद आ रहा है, क्या जलाने में क्या है माही में, तेज में भी तो लड़के यही पहनते
हो तेरी याद आती है। in love with you.